years old and I'm going to be making slime today. Let's get started. First I pour in the glue, Elmer's glue. Then we put in the glitter glue. I'm using this color.
Do you know what color that is?
It's silver.
Yeah. Get her a spoon.
Okay, we're all done with that. Now we're going to be using this. Then we're going to be using this green color. Use all of it. Okay, it's all done. Now we're gonna mix it up until it's even, until it's colored. Then my Grammy's gonna be helping me mix her hands up inside the slime because I don't really want to do it with my hands. Now I'm going to be using magical glue. I'm going to be using one drop. Starting to get slimy and like gooey, but I had to add a little bit. Okay, now we're going to be using this.
What is that?
It's saline solution. And we're going to be dropping it in and squirting it.
Okay, baby, that's good.
Now it's Grammy's turn to do it.
Okay, we'll show them the finished product in just a minute, right?
Right.
We have to knead it with our hands and stretch it all apart.
So you have to knead it up and stretch it all apart
Yeah,
like this.
yeah. Can you do it, or do you want Graham to do it?
I want you to do it.
Okay, we're going to squeeze it like dough. We're going to fold it over and knead it, knead it, knead it. And then we'll show them the finished product, right?
Right.
Okay.